Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through how to set up online memberships or subscriptions without needing a website. We'll cover everything from setting up your membership, creating a membership landing page, to what your members' experience will look like, and some marketing tips to get more members. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Payhip seller account. If you don't have one yet, sign up for free by using the link in the description. To add a new membership, go to the Product tab and click Add New Product. Select the membership category and input your membership title. You can edit this later. Click Add Membership. You'll land on the Post tab where you can start posting content for your members. You can create various types of posts including text, videos, images, links, polls, or attach digital files. Next, head to the Settings tab to customize your membership product title, upload a thumbnail, and adjust settings like URL customization, comment permissions, and email notifications. Under Membership Area Settings, you can tailor your members' dashboard appearance. Now let's preview what your members' experience will look like. Once they subscribe, they'll access their dashboard where they can view the membership product and any other products they've purchased. Now, set up subscription tiers under the Pricing tab. Choose from one-time purchase, payment plan, free, or subscription fees. You can offer different subscription tiers with various pricing options and trial periods. Once pricing is set, let's focus on your membership landing page. Head to your membership product page, click Pages, and edit your sales page. Customize it with a catchy header, pricing plans, an About section, membership benefits, testimonials, and FAQs. Don't forget to publish your changes. Now, customize your checkout page and thank you page to ensure a smooth member experience. Once content is created, review your settings, pricing, and membership sales page. Publish your membership by clicking the Publish tab. You can track your members under the Members tab and engage with them through comments. To drive traffic to your membership page, share your link on social media, offer incentives for new members, and grow your social media following. Retention is key, so focus on creating valuable content that keeps members subscribed. Remember, you can also sell other products on Payhip like digital downloads, online courses, coaching services, and physical products for additional revenue streams. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Payhip for free.